bosses, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be on this gorgeous look. I'm serving you Cleopatra vibes. Like, it's the whole look for me. Like, come through. But yes, this look is gorgeous, super easy. So I'm gonna need you, if you're not subscribed, to subscribe to my channel and to my already part of the Boss Gang family. I appreciate you. So make sure you follow my social media, BeautybyDimplzbabyy, where you'll see more pictures on this look. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into the video. So hey bosses, I hope you like my first Halloween tutorial of the year. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and follow my Instagram. So I already did my base. If you want to see how I did my base, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm just applying this eyeshadow primer from Jessie's Girl, and I'm taking a brush just to blend it in because I have oily lids. Then I'm going to take this Morphe bronzer, and it's called Leader. I just picked this up from Ulta, and it's super huge and it's very good for women of color. So I'm going to take this on a brush and just blend it into my crease as a transition and to give my eyes some depth and dimension. And I'm going to bring this color down the bridge of my nose for a slight contour. Y'all know I don't like a harsh contoured nose, and my nose is pretty small as it is. Now I'm going to take this pressed powder from Airway Studios in the color Toffee, and I'm going to apply this with a bigger fluffy brush onto my brow bone to set the conceal and also to blend out that Morphe bronze. To deepen the crease, I'm going to take this pressed powder from Black Radiance, and I believe this is in the color Cocoa, and I'm just going to take this on the pencil brush and make this more precise in my crease. And since I have hooded lids, I'm bringing it a little bit higher than where my normal crease is, and I'm winging it out. And I'm going to be doing one eye in regular speed and the other eye in a sped up motion. So now we're going to cut the crease, and I'm going to be taking the P.LOUISE base, and I'm just applying a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm taking a small flat brush and warming up the product. This product works better when the product is warmed up, so I apply it on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to place it in the middle. And since I have the hooded lids, I look up to see where I can place it, and then I'm going to cut the crease. And make sure you take your time with this. It can be tedious, and if you make a mistake, you can go back in with the transition colors. And now I'm going to take this big brush and we're going to blend this out to take off the excess product and so it can be smooth. I went in with this BH Cosmetics kind of like a eyeshadow base, but I could have used this instead of the P.LOUISE base, but I used both of them, so it's pretty okay. Just using the applicator and applying this just like we did the P.LOUISE base, and I'm just going to blend it out with the brush. This is going to give the gold eyeshadow we use juice to pop more. So we're going into the Life's a Drag palette and taking that gold color. It's so beautiful. The camera doesn't know justice. And we're going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and just press it on to the eyelid. Then to top it off, I'm taking this glitter, and this is from LA Splash, and it's so beautiful. The camera's not doing it any justice. And we're gonna take this eyelash glue. It's a clear glue from AOA Studio, and I'm going to apply a little bit on my lid, and then take another flat brush and place the glitter onto my lid. Then I'm going to take this NYX eyeliner and I'm going to line my eyes and do a winged out liner. Then I'm taking this eyeliner pencil from Tarte and I'm lining my lower lash line and my waterline. And I'm going to set this with the black in the Life's a Drag palette with a pencil brush so it doesn't smudge. I'm going in with this blue color from the same palette, and I'm going to take this on my lower lash line and I'm going to wing it out at the end like the Egyptians do. Then I'm going to do the inner corner flip to get that triangular shape for this makeup look. Then I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic, and this is waterproof, and this is my favorite mascara of all times. I always go back to this one. And the lashes I'm going to be using is from Shop Miss A, and this is in the style Alexis. There we go. Now we're gonna go back to the face. This is the JEFFREE STARR 24 karat highlighter palette, and I'm taking that gold color, and watch this. Yes, I'm going to apply this at all the places where I highlight, and this highlight just gave me, it just added a perfect touch to this makeup look. Then I'm just going to blend that highlight out so it doesn't look too harsh on the face. And now I'm going to do the other eye in fast forward motion. Now I'm going to do the lips. I'm using my Bust Up Cosmetic Lip Mask, and I'm just applying that to my lips to hydrate them. Then I'm taking this NYX lip pencil, and I believe this is in the color dark brown. I'm just going to line my lips, and the color I'm using on my lip is from BeautybyDimplzbabyy Cosmetics, and this is in the color Nubia number 21, and this is just a My Lips But Better color, so I'm just applying that to my lips. And then to go with the makeup look, I'm going back into the Vice Drag palette, picking up that gold color and applying this to my upper lip. And make sure you take your time and press this into the lip for the best pigmentation. And then I'm going to go in with that LA Splash glitter on top of the gold eyeshadow. Then I'm taking this eyeliner from Tarte and just drawing this triangular shape. I should have used the NYX liquid liner. I think this would have been easier and faster, but this is what I did for the video, and I'm just going to fill it in, and then I'm going to set it with a black eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take a liner brush and I'm going to be dipping it into that BH Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow pigment, and then I'm going to top it off with the gold eyeshadow. And then I forgot my lashes, so I'm going to apply the lashes to my other eye, and this is in the style Alexis. And this look was super easy to do. This is the completed look. I'm going to put on my synthetic bang wig and serve you Cleopatra vibes. But to set the whole look and to make it stay in place all night, I'm going to apply the Maybelline setting spray. And I'm also going to apply this liner to hide the lash band. But I didn't do an outro, so thank you for watching this video. Make sure to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed, and make sure if you're not subscribed to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you share this video and follow me on my Instagram page at BeautybyDimplzbabyy. And look, yes, I am serving looks, yes. And then I had to put on the little headwear to make the look complete. Damn, shawty. Thank you guys.